In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is a Salesforce admin and how does it work. A Salesforce Administrator is the guardian and enabler of your CRM. This role configures Salesforce to match your business processes, secures data with profiles and permission sets, manages users, and keeps automations, reports, and dashboards running smoothly. Rather than writing code, admins typically use clicks to tailor objects, fields, page layouts, and flows, making Salesforce both safe and productive for every team. Let's walk through how you add someone as a system administrator so they can perform those duties. First, sign in to your Salesforce account with a profile that's allowed to manage users. If you don't see setup options later, you likely need a higher level of access. From the main Salesforce interface, open Settings by clicking the gear icon and choosing Setup. This takes you to the Admin console, where you'll find all the configuration tools. If you see an option to open Advanced Setup or Setup Home, use it to expand the full set of administrative features. Next, navigate to the Users area. You can use the quick find search to type Users, then select the Users page. This is where all active and inactive users are listed, along with their profiles and statuses. Open the Users list to proceed. Choose New to begin creating a user. You'll be taken to a form where key details are captured. Enter the person's email address carefully. In Salesforce, the username must be in an email format and must be unique across all Salesforce organizations. The notification email you provide is where the invitation will be sent, so make sure it's valid and accessible. While you're here, confirm basics like name, alias, time zone, and locale, so their experience matches their location. Accuracy at this stage prevents login and notification problems later. For this example, assign the System Administrator profile. Profiles define baseline access, what objects a user can see, create, edit, or delete, what settings they can change, and which administrative privileges they have. System Administrator grants the highest level of control, including managing users, data visibility, automations, and setup. Use it only for trusted individuals who need full control, and remember, you can fine-tune access later with permission sets if needed. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation. Salesforce will email the recipient with a link to verify their account, set a password, and complete multi-factor authentication. Wait for them to accept. You'll see their status update once they finish onboarding. Finally, click Close to return to the Users page. That's it. You've added a system administrator and seen how the admin role powers and protects your Salesforce org. If you found this useful, subscribe for more.